upload that I had uploaded for you guys. We were in the field across the ditch over here. Now we're on the other side in this field. This field's doing about the same as the other one. There's some good corn in here. So far the moisture's been good. There's 260 bushel corn out here in spots, but the average is 203 bushels. But as we start getting closer to the woods over here, it's probably going to start to decrease. And that's just because of the way the field is. The good soil's over here where I already shelled, and then the not so good stuff is over here on this side. So it'll probably start going down a little bit, but the average still should be pretty decent. So I'm assuming we're gonna finish up this field and then probably go to a different one. Only time will tell. Also kind of depend on if everything stays together, it doesn't break. So we'll see how today goes and go from there. If I could shut that off, I would be very happy. Darn beep. field that I was originally in, I finished. Corn went pretty decent. Now I'm in a new field. It's going about 196.3 bushels right now. Running about 16%, 16.5, 17% moisture. So far, so good. We're really happy with this crop. And I did get my grain cart back. Sister was able to get in that and bring it over, so I've been unloading on the go. So hopefully the pace will pick up a little bit faster now. $190 to $240 to over 300 bushel in here, so that's always a plus. Getting just a little bit darker. Them dark clouds over there are really starting to make me nervous. Guess we'll just have to wait and see what happens. Supposedly it's on its way, the rain is, but I don't know if it's supposed to hit us or what part of my area it's supposed to hit. Hopefully it stays north. Sorry for all you guys that live north Ohio. Because where I'm at, I'm literally on the borderline of Michigan, so southern Lucas County. I'm in the southern part of the county, so I'm actually pretty far away from the Michigan line, but not too far away. But anyways, hoping to, probably won't finish this up tonight, but hoping to get as much done as we can. I'd like to get at least 2 more truckloads out of here. And if the rain holds off, I'd really like to finish, but I don't know when the grain elevator closes, and I haven't heard anything from the old man yet, so I guess we'll find out here in just a little bit what's going on. Alright, so I just got word from my dad. Elevator closes at 8 o'clock. And it's 7:42. And it's about a half, I wouldn't say about a half an hour drive, but there's no sense in taking the truck all the way there. It's probably going to be closed by the time you get there anyway, so my orders are to fill up the truck and then call it quits for tonight. So this video's about wrapped up. Still gotta unload, and then I gotta start folding down grain extensions, because our grain extensions you gotta put up and flip down by hand. I ain't got that fancy button when you just hit a button and they automatically fold up or close. So as much as I'd like to have it, the manual ones will have to do. It's better than nothing. They're grain extensions anyway, so they do help. Alright guys, so we're still having to mess with that rain over here. There was a batch of it over this way last night, but it passed us. So we have this much done, and then we got this over here left to do. We're gonna try to get it done just so that it's done. You know, it's only about 6 or 7 acres, so we're gonna try to knock it out today before rain comes. It's actually starting to sprinkle right now, so hopefully we can get this knocked out ASAP. So we'll see how today goes. Alright, so second day of shelling's going good so far. A little windy today. Corn's still averaging pretty good. Hit 303 there, I'll be darned. That's pretty good corn. Yeah, it's a little windy today. Something's definitely brewing. I just got this little bit right here to do beside me, and then I think we're gonna call it quits for today because that rain's coming. There's no sense in going to the field because by the time we wrap up here, get everything moved to the other field, it's probably gonna rain. So I will see you guys on the next one, and don't forget to leave your comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next time.